Kids, I'm in a room, and in this sentence, in is a preposition. Let's learn more about prepositions now.
The prepositions. The words which are related to a noun or a pronoun in a sentence are called prepositions. Look at the following examples of prepositions: in, into, on, at, of, under, upon, by, since, for, with, about, beyond, etc. Example: the bird is sitting on the tree. In the above example, on is showing the preposition that the bird is sitting on the tree. Example: Pat is sitting on the chair. In the above example, on is showing the preposition that Pat is sitting on the chair. Our school closes on Saturday and Sunday. In the above example, on is showing the preposition that the school closes on Saturday and Sunday. Meg is waiting for her friend at the gate of the school. In the above example, at is showing the preposition that Meg is waiting for her friend at the gate of the school. The thief jumped over the wall and ran away. In the above example, over is showing the preposition that the thief jumped over the wall and ran away. Rewrite and memorize the following prepositions: angry with, approve of, arrive at, deal in, attend to. Belong to, blind of, listen to, inferior to, hard of.
हम अब दोस्त हैं ना, तो दोस्ती में माफी नहीं मांगते और शुक्रिया अदा नहीं करते।
मैंने तो पहले से कभी नहीं सुना।
अब सुन लिया ना? एक और बात सुन लो, मुझे आगे से कभी पिंकी मत कहना, मुझे अच्छा नहीं लगता। पहले मैंने कहा नहीं, पर अब कहती हूँ, मुझे मेरे नाम से ही बुलाना, समझी? सोनिया। बाबूजी भी मुझे इसी नाम से बुलाते हैं। बाबूजी, बाबूजी।